Okay guys, if you have a face and you have a camera, that's all you need to show your face. And I hate when people say that because it's not always that easy.
I think I'm in love, say it way too often. I can't play these games, think I'm switching up the offense. See me in LA.
Hello YouTube, welcome back to DBX Insights, where we're all about mindset, habits, and lifestyle. Now in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys how to be comfortable showing your face on camera. And truly, this is not showing my face on camera because I'm hiding behind a hoodie and sunglasses. So this is showing my face on camera. Now, I wasn't always like this. If you go back to my previous videos, my first video up on my channel right now is from about 1 month ago. And it wasn't always like that. I wasn't always doing these motivational videos. I was doing videos before which were PowerPoint styled, and I could totally understand why people wouldn't want to show their face. When I watch a lot of these videos where people encourage others to show their face, it sounds a lot like this. Okay guys, if you have a face and you have a camera, that's all you need to show your face. And I hate when people say that because it's not always that easy. Of course, for some people, showing your face on camera is going to be a little bit easier than other people. Some people will come more naturally, others will take a bit more time to work up to the idea. But just know that everyone at one point, even your most favorite YouTubers, the most popular YouTubers on YouTube, all had to go through this, all had to put themselves out there in order to become famous and to provide the value that they do and provide the value that you want to subscribe to, you want to watch, right? All right, now, I understand it's difficult to put yourself out there, put your face on YouTube, and I want to tell you a little bit about my story. So I started making YouTube videos about 4 or 5 months ago. The first day was December 16th. Today is April 6th, so that puts it into perspective. That's about 5 months of making YouTube videos, and I only recently started showing my face on my channel about 2 weeks ago, okay? And I was probably like you guys. I did not want to show my face on YouTube. Showing your face on YouTube can come with a lot of rejection, a lot of hate. It can be embarrassing for people, but you know what? You just have to get started. And if you are truly committed to the platform and you can tell yourself that you will be making these videos continuously, you will get better. Looking at my first videos, I actually deleted my first videos. Even though I didn't show my face, they were PowerPoints, and PowerPoint's super boring. Nobody would watch it, and I totally understand why. But eventually we evolved into adding stock footage and music and really spicing up the content, right? And that's what got people attracted, got people to watch the videos. And so over time, you'll find ways to improve your videos, make your videos better. So don't think that just because your videos are bad today, that they will always be bad. You will find ways to improve them. The only thing is you must get started. Now, in my case, what I did was I actually bought a $200 mic because I figured I was not going to be making these face-to-face videos. I was only going to be making videos where I had to talk into the mic. And so I thought that the audio quality should be as crisp and as clean as it possibly could. And so I bought a $200 Yeti mic. Now, looking back, I totally could have just avoided that purchase if I just went and started making these face-to-face videos. But of course it was difficult because making these face-to-face videos is not so easy. You have to put yourself out there, and I wasn't ready at that moment. Now, how do we get over the fear of putting our face out on YouTube for everyone to see, for the world to see? What you must do, and I think this really helped me, is make a commitment to yourself. Make a commitment that even though your videos might not be where they want to be today, that you will continue to improve, you will continue to make your videos as good as they possibly can be every single time, so that in the future, they will one day be at that standard that you wish they will be at. So you must realize everyone has a starting point. We all started somewhere. As I said before, your favorite YouTubers had to start somewhere as well. If you go back to their first videos are not up to the caliber that they are today. You will find how to grow. You will find how to improve your content. So don't worry about that. That will just come with time. I find with YouTube and showing your face, it really comes down to two things. Now, the first thing is that you believe that your content is more valuable than the fear of showing your face on YouTube. You believe that you have a message that you need to share, or you believe that whatever you're providing, whether it be education or entertainment, that it's more important than the fear of embarrassment of you showing your face on YouTube. And the second thing is you just don't care. Some people really just don't care. They're just built for the camera and they are ready to go as soon as you give them the camera. So it's either one of those two things. And if you feel that your content is not up to that standard, where you still think that I'm still afraid to show whatever it is that I have to show, find a way to build up your content. Find a way to make your content more valuable so that you can move past that fear and persuade yourself that it's more important that you do this and not hold back. Now, even though we are a mindset, habit, and lifestyle channel, I wanted to make this video because showing your face on YouTube is definitely facing a fear. In life, we should look to face our fears, not run away from them. And so if you're struggling, just create that first YouTube video. Pick up that camera and start recording. Make that video. The first ones aren't going to be good. I'm a YouTube noob, as I mentioned in the title, right? And these first videos, if you enjoy my videos now, just give me a 6 months or a year, and you'll enjoy them so much more because they will just get that much better with time, right? Now, to go over some of the main points we talked about today. So first off, you got to understand that some people will just naturally be a little bit more inclined to show their face on camera than others, and that's totally okay if you're a shy person. The second thing we talked about is don't expect perfection in all of your videos. Realize that your first videos will be your worst videos, and really it's all up to you. You just have to pick up the camera and start recording. And the third thing, if you are scared to show your face on camera, you must find a way that you can persuade yourself that your videos are more valuable. They serve a greater purpose than your fear of showing your face on YouTube or on a video. If this video helped you guys out in any way, I want you to give this video a like. Also, if you enjoy listening to myself, or if you're interested in anything regarding mindset, habits, and lifestyles, want to improve your lifestyle, improve your mind, and overall make some great changes in your life, stick around to the channel. We got a few videos out right now, but I have a few more ideas that I think are well worth sharing, well worth making videos, and I'm here to provide you guys with value, and that's what I intend to do. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Take care, guys.
I think I'm in love, say it way too